And again, welcome to the MasterCAM in a Minute course. In that lecture, we're going to talk about how can we organize our blend toolpath. This is the blend toolpath actually. We're going to start from that curve to that curve. If you would like to change that, you just need to click the geometry button, and then you can turn to the blend geometry, and you can delete this one, and you can delete this one, and then you can add new chain. You can start from here to here, and then that's it. It is ready. You're gonna start from this chain to reach this chain. So after that, when we recalculate my toolpath, we're gonna see that we're gonna start from the big diameter to reach small diameter. So this is the blend toolpath actually. We can also use the spiral cutting method for this toolpath. Here, this is our simulation. We can start from here to reach that actually circle. This is the spiral and the maximum step number 2 mm. That's it.